Hello student, this is Icse and welcome to your channel, the Geography Corner. After long days I am making this video and today my topic is industry from Icse class 7. So let's start the video. So at first question comes to your minds, what is industry? You all know that the industry is a secondary sector activity and the people who are related to this sector, they are called the blue collars worker. So I will come to the first definition of the industry. So what is the definition of industry? The processing of natural resource into some other useful product which can be used by man is called manufacturing, and in other words an industry. The third stage, the industry based on ownership. Here you can find the main stages of industry, like at first the private sector industry, public sector industry, joint sector industry and the cooperative sector industry. And now the second topic is industry based on the size. Based on size, in the industry can be classified as the cottage industry. It is a very small industry. Then a small scale industry, third large scale industry based on the capital invest, number of people employed and the volume of goods produced. So at first I will come to the cottage industry. So what is cottage industry? Cottage industry is a manual industry and it's a very small industry. And then is the small scale industry. It is bigger than the cottage industry. And last is the in each unit large scale industry employ large labor force, use the huge investment and capital. It's called the large scale industry. The next question comes to your mind, different types of industry. So here you can see that classification of industry based on three processes. At first the classification based on raw material, and the second is classification based on size of the industry, and the third is classification based on ownership. So at first I will come to the industry based raw material, because here is the classification based on the raw material. So on the basic of the based on raw material, we can divide it industry into many parts, like the agro based industry, mineral based industry, forest based industry and animal based industry. Now I will discuss the factor of industry, means what factor affecting to the industry. Here are the two factors, mainly the geographical based factor. The geographical based factor that affected the location, and the second is the climate, water and also the power supply. It's the geographical factor that affecting the industry. And what is the non-geographical factor? The non-geographical factor is power supply, capital, labor, government policy. It's the factor that affecting the industry. So that's all for today. I will come as soon as possible with my new video. So very soon guys.